Hi friends, today we are going to see in this video how to install a WordPress in Hostinger or how to set up WordPress in Hostinger. Go to your Hostinger cpanel, enter your login details to login, click hosting on top of the menu bar. Your websites are listed in the left side. Click manage which site you want to install WordPress. I click this one. You can see dashboard of your site hosting account. Just go down. You can see WordPress here. You can click and install here also, but I am going to click auto installer. Now you can see WordPress here also. I just select over here. The WordPress account setup pop-up will open here. You will enter all the details. You can choose HTTP or HTTPS of your site. Just enter website title, email ID, username, password of your WordPress account. I enter all details. Click next. Click install. That's it. WordPress is installed. We will go to WordPress dashboard by click here. Edit site. This hosting redirect to WordPress, or you can enter your site, or you can enter your website URL and last /wp hyphen admin admin. Just enter your WordPress will be open. Now we go to check our website by click your username on top of the left side. Visit site. Your WordPress site is ready. This is default WordPress theme. You can change the themes whatever you want. I just give simple demo for how to change the theme. Go to WordPress dashboard. Click appearance on left menu. Click theme. You can see default free WordPress themes. Live theme right now. You can get free or paid themes available on net. You just download or get those themes and you just add the theme by clicking add new theme, install and activate the themes. Now I just activate these free themes as 2020 by clicking activate. Now refresh the website. You can see new theme here. The new theme says your site is ready. WordPress has installed and activated the themes also. Thanks for watching.